manufacturing industry in India itself over a period of time has undergone a lot of change. There are a lot of focus areas from an organization perspective that were necessary, right from building a smart factory of future, adopting e-commerce or adopting digital or digitization as a way of working, investing in leadership skills wherein people are actually custodians of the culture. Were very, very important area from the organization perspective. As we were looking at building these skills or capabilities within Welspun, we really needed a partner which is of a global stature, offers world-class education, world-class courses, certification courses, and actually focuses on implementation as well as application. Using various blended learning methodologies. And that's where Coursera is now our preferred learning partner at Welspun across the group. Our individual development plans for talent are very progressive, they're personalized, and they are actually led by an individual keeping in mind the career aspiration. Coursera helps us in terms of building not only just functional skill sets, but also the capabilities which are needed to become leaders of tomorrow. For all our critical roles, we have identified competencies which are necessary to be successful in those roles. We have identified talent which are mapped to these critical roles, and we're investing in terms of building capabilities for our talent to become ready for future and occupy these critical roles within the organization. Coursera really helps us to track at the skill level in terms of what are the shifts from on a skill set perspective, whether it's digital, whether it's industry 4.0, whether it's sustainability, whether it's technology skills. As an administrator, you can look at how the skills have shifted the needle. That is a very important metric or a dashboard to look at and see how the skill set within at the individual level, at the department level, at the team level, or at the organization level are moving. And I think that's how Coursera helps us in terms of measuring the ROI. Apart from it, all our critical talents or the key talents, have certain individual learning plans. So delivery or actualizing on those e-learning plans, individual development plans itself is one of the important metrics.